Bear crawl with bird dog is next. So hands and knees, little steps forward. You're just going to crawl, don't overthink it. Couple of steps forward, then reverse it. Go slow, nice and steady. Knee, hand moving forward, knee forward, hand forward, knee back, opposite hand back. Then from there, you're going to pair it with bird dog. So hands underneath shoulders, you're going to push the hands into the floor, tuck your hips under, and then push the knees into the floor. Then you're going to extend one foot behind you, reach the opposite arm. Try not to twist, try not to arch the back. So hips tucking under, squeezing the glute as I extend the leg, reach the arm overhead. Nice controlled movements. Stretch it out, relax, swap sides. So hips under, extend one leg, reach the arm forward. Nice and steady. Always pay attention. You should be feeling it in your core and you shouldn't be arching or tilting to the side. Stay level with the floor. Nice deep breaths.